Start by removing all loose items and clutter from the shower so you can work systematically. Begin by rinsing visible soap scum and loose debris from walls and floor using warm water to loosen grime. Next, ventilate the bathroom by opening windows and turning on the exhaust fan to reduce humidity and speed drying. Spray a suitable cleaner across all surfaces, using a product matched to your materials such as a mild acidic cleaner for mineral buildup on tile or a neutral pH cleaner for natural stone, and apply more liberally to corners and grout lines. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow the cleaner to break down deposits without letting it dry on the surface. Then use a stiff nylon brush on grout and textured tiles and a non-abrasive sponge on smooth surfaces to avoid scratches. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, starting from the top and working down so contaminants flow out the drain, and for trapped residue, repeat spot treatments on stubborn areas. Finish by drying all surfaces with a clean microfiber cloth to prevent water spots and inhibit mold growth while returning shower items to organized positions. Common mistakes include skipping the pre-rinse step, which leaves loose particles that turn into a grinding paste during scrubbing, so always rinse first. Another issue is using harsh acidic or alkaline cleaners on sensitive surfaces, which can etch or discolor them. So identify materials before choosing a product and test a small hidden area first. People often neglect ventilation and drying, which lets moisture linger and encourages mold, so keep air moving during and after cleaning and dry surfaces with a microfiber towel. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors who can assist with deep cleaning or restoration tasks, and we also help contractors find work. We host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, product experiences, and step-by-step routines so users can learn from real projects and ask follow-up questions.